Today, we will analyze the performance of a sales team, based on monthly sales for 6 months from 2010 to 2015. First, we will import the sales data from Excel file. The link to the file is placed in the description below. We will import the sales sheet, which contains the monthly sales, by sales team, and by products. The first chart that we will add is a KPI. This will serve as the interactive, dynamic background for the report title. We will add sales as values for the KPI chart, and month for the trend axis. Change the horizontal alignment of the call-out value, and the title of the KPI chart to right. Now, insert a text box, and add a title to the report. Choose proper font size for the title. Select KPI chart, and turn its visual border on, from Visualizations. Also, go to the View tab, and check the Snap to Grid option. This will help you place the charts accurately. Now, place the title text box over the KPI chart, and see how it looks. Set the background transparency of the title text box to 100%. Insert a card from Visualizations, and select Sales from Fields, to show sales in the card. Resize the card to your liking. Change the sum of sales to sales. Turn on the visual border around the sales card. Create a copy of the sales card, and place it below the existing sales card, at an appropriate place. Now, remove the sales field, and insert profit field, to display profit in the card. Add a line and clustered column chart, to display sales and profit values by month. Insert the profit field, and the sales field, in the column and line axis, and the month field in the x-axis. Display the chart by months, instead of quarters and years. Display profit as columns, and the sales as line in the chart. Turn on the visual border, for the sales and profit chart. Add a stacked area chart to the dashboard, for another comparison of sales and profit values. Add both profit and the sales fields to the y-axis. Add the month field to the x-axis. Change the description for sum of profit and sum of sales to profit and sales. Turn on the visual border, for the sales and profit stacked area chart. Add a slicer to the dashboard, and add years into the slicer. Change the type of slicer to tiles, and resize and reposition the slicer to an appropriate place. Turn on the visual border around the years slicer as well. You can change the theme of the dashboard to any of the available themes at any time. Add another slicer to the dashboard for managers and their team members. Add salesmen and the managers to the slicer. Appropriately resize and reposition the slicer on the dashboard. Turn on the visual borders for the slicer. Using this slicer, you can view the performance of any team, or any of their member, on the dashboard. Create a copy of this slicer, to create a slicer for products, and product categories. Add category and product field into the slicer. Using this slicer, you can display the performance of any product, or any product category, on the dashboard. Add a pie chart to the dashboard, to display the share of the sales teams in overall sales performance. Add sales and the salesman, to the pie chart. You can also display the managers, instead of salesmen. Turn on the visual border around the pie chart. Create a copy of the pie chart to display products or product categories in the similar fashion. Remove the salesman or the managers, and insert products or the product categories in the pie chart legend. Change the various settings, use slicers and other tools, and see how dashboard is working. The dashboard is now finalized. This dashboard helps us understand the performance of sales teams and products over time. You can display yearly performance, or you can see the sales and profit of all 6 years at once. You can filter the report by product or product category to analyze the performance of your products. You can further customize the dashboard and change the background color from Format page in Visualizations. And this is it for today. Please ask any question or leave feedback in the comment section below. We will be back with another video in future.